Hello, everyone. My name is Ashton Taylor. I'm located in San Francisco, California. I want to share my experience regarding the training and placement support that I'm currently receiving with Sky States. Right now, I'm actively attending classes, and the learning experience very has been going great so far. Along with the training, I'm also working on real time projects, which is helping me gaining real time practical experience and exposure, and understanding how things work in the industry. One thing I really appreciate is that the team is not only focusing on training, but they are helping me with interview preparation and placement activities. They already arranged a vendor for me, which give me great exposure to the interview process and help me understand on where I need improvement at. Apart from that, I regularly receive uh, screenings, rounds, and interview preparation questions, which are helping me prepare better and build my confidence for upcoming opportunities. My resume and profile are also being actively shared with recruiters, and every week I'm currently getting phone calls regarding job opportunities and profile discussions. Overall, the support has been continuous from training, projects, interview preparation to placement assistant. I'm still in the process, but the journey and the guidance so far has been really positive and very helpful for my career growth. Thank you.